Hello future law enforcers and law enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different and I think a lot of fun. We're going to have a quick pop quiz to test your knowledge of Philippine criminal law. So grab a coffee, get your thinking caps on, and let's see how you do. Alright, let's get right to it. I've got a question for you. Straight from the Revised Penal Code. The question is, the following are modes of totally extinguishing criminal liability, except, is it A. Amnesty, prescription of the penalty, prescription of the crime, or D. Conditional pardon? Take a moment, think about it, read the options carefully. This is one of those classic bar exam style questions designed to make you pause. Got your answer? Lock it in. Okay, time for the reveal. But before I give you the correct answer, let's quickly break down what these terms mean, so we're all on the same page. First, we have amnesty. Think of amnesty as a public act by the president, with the concurrence of Congress, that completely wipes the slate clean. It's like the offense never even happened. It's usually granted to a class of persons like political offenders. Next is prescription of the crime. This is a time limit. The law sets a period within which a case must be filed against someone. If that time lapses before a case is filed, the state loses its right to prosecute. The crime, for all legal purposes, has prescribed. Then there's conditional pardon. This is also an act by the president, but it's granted to an individual after conviction. The key word here is conditional. The person is released, but they have to follow certain conditions. If they violate those conditions, they can be sent back to prison. Because it's not absolute, it only partially extinguishes criminal liability. The conviction remains, but the rest of the sentence is put on hold. Finally, we have prescription of the penalty. This happens asterisk after asterisk. Someone has already been convicted and sentenced. If the convict manages to evade serving their sentence for a certain period, the penalty itself can prescribe or expire. So, let us go back to our question. Which of these is not a mode of totally extinguishing criminal liability? The correct answer is D. Conditional pardon. Because as the name implies, it's conditional. It doesn't wipe out the conviction itself, and it can be revoked. The others is amnesty, prescription of the crime, and even prescription of the penalty are all listed under Article 89 of the Revised Penal Code as ways that criminal liability is totally extinguished. How did you do? Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. I highly encourage you to open up your RPC and review Article 89. It's a fundamental topic that's super important to master. Thanks for tuning in and playing along. If you enjoyed this little quiz, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more law-related content. See you in the next video.